Hi everyone, it's time for another juggling and solving tip. Last time I talked about the nerves, this time it's the frustrations. I recently solved 3 cubes while giving a reflection on Jesus' crucifixion as told in the Bible. But what you don't know is that immediately before the successful solve, this happened. I was one move away and then failed. And you know what? That was pretty frustrating. I suppose it's true for most things. If you get near to your goal and in the last minute, at the very last move, something happens, well, it's tempting to blow up. But what I'm hoping to give in this video are a couple of things that you can do to help manage those frustrations. So if the worst happens and you get to the final move, and this, deep breaths, cubes down, grab a cup, take a break, then pick up where you left off. That's my tip for today. Subscribe for more juggling and solving tips. Thanks for watching. Till next time.